Today we're going to be going over a Pop Shuriken false hyper and why it's good to know for this curriculum. Let's check it out. Dang, people be hating on the Halloween special, man. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel. It's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be going over the 6 hyper kick for level 2.6 and going over what it's going to be useful for later on. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your swing shuriken false hyper. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Now, a pop shuriken false hyper is basically the same as a swing shuriken false hyper, but obviously we're using a pop takeoff instead of a swing takeoff. And this one is good to know for any pop shuriken false hyper trick that we learn later on, or even some combos that we do with it. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, facing your target. You're going to jump off both feet into your pop takeoff and land back down. Bring that cheat leg up, throwing your outside crescent, and hop around 180 degrees off your other foot, landing the move in a backside stance. As always, you can do this move with a follow through. You can do it with a spin in the beginning, or you can do it with a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend you get used to these for when we move on to combinations later on. And my only tip for this one is to make sure you're trying to keep your legs straight as best you can. And that's about it. And if you don't already have your basic crescent kicks, make sure you get those. You can click on that tutorial right there. Or if you have any questions, leave a comment down below so I can help you out. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons for supporting this channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, not a thumbs down. Stop hating on freaking Halloween specials. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe because it would be dope to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz. See y'all tomorrow.